this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got Maruchan Yakisoba spicy chicken. I know it's been like years since I've tried this, so that's what we're doing today. You get these 2 sachets and a noodle block. So we just do this one first, right? Yeah, okay. And it goes for 4 minutes. So you open her up, you put this in kind of along the side. It recommends doing a little, letting it settle, and then you fill it to the line with room temperature water. You could do cold water, but you may have mixed results, so you don't want to mix your results. Right up to, come on. There. And this will go for 4 minutes. At 1,000 watts. I'm not gonna go crazy. Not crazier than I already feel like I am. So there we go for 4 minutes. Need some more water in here. Shoot for our water place. So yeah, today is today, and I the last couple episodes I'm showing you some cool stuff, and this time we got a couple neat things. I always wanted to get smart bulbs for up there. Let's see. Alexa, make the kitchen red. So now it's red. Does it even look red? I don't know. That's weird. Alexa, make the kitchen blue. Okay, now it's blue. Oh, it's weird in here. Alexa, make the kitchen warm. Yeah, so now it's warm. I don't know, that works for me. But yeah, it's pretty neat. You know, I can turn the lights on and off. It's weird though, because when you put it down to 1%, it's like a funky color. Alexa, make the kitchen orange. Oh, that's weird too. Alexa, make the kitchen white. There you go. I think that's pretty standard. And then I've got my regular light right there, but I don't know, it could be useful, maybe. I don't know. I just think it's really cool to be able to yell at the little cylinder that's sitting over there on a stand and make it like make the lights turn on and off. I don't know. What's crazy is if you're born today, having an AI and be able to like verbally turn on and off lights in your kitchen or turn on and off like devices and all this stuff. What do you mean there was a time when that didn't happen? What? That's freaking whatever. You know, there's going to be kids that are just like so used to having AI assisted smart home technology that it's just like no big whoop. But I don't know. I like it. So yeah. Anyways, so that's my neatness that I wanted to share. And yeah, just waiting for the old microwave. It's got over a minute left. What else is going on? I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do for a review number 5,000. There will be one when it comes out. I know that in a couple days, at least where I am in my neck of the woods of the temporal universe, the 2000th episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time will be coming out, which is exciting. This episode, I think, is 2100 and something. I don't know what, but off the top of my head at least. But yeah, it's like I blew past episode 2000 a while ago. But that episode is special. If you look up Instant Noodle Recipe Time 2000, maybe you'll be able to find it, hopefully. That one, I turned over the show to my wife and daughter, and they did a crazy poppin' ramen thingy. So it's like you can make candy out of this thing, and it's got molds and all this crap. So I thought it was kind of gross. They kind of liked it. They had fun. That was my main thing. I just like, I'll let you guys have fun. I think it's done. Do we have to let it sit a minute? Let's see what it says. Well, I think the idea is so it doesn't kill you, though. So I can just take it out and let it sit a minute. I don't think you do. Okay. If I do and I didn't because I can't see very well, I apologize. Don't come running at me with a big shovel. Yeah. So much of this sticky, almost like plastic gunky weirdness that's on these things. It's like, doesn't that get in the food? Yeah, it's like, look, there's a whole bunch of it. Huh. I always thought that was weird about these things, but I don't know. Gotta get my kids in about 45 minutes, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll have to figure out something to do because it's Wacky Wednesday, and kids don't go to school the whole day on Wednesdays, and I really don't understand why. I had to go to school all day on Wednesday. Crap, I had to go to the whole day at school every day. Unless it was like Christmas break or this or that. Wednesday's not a national holiday. Why do we have, short days on Wednesdays? And what's weird too is it's like they're usually done at 4. They're done at 2:30, so it's like 90 minutes less. There's been all these weird studies, like in high school, it's better to have the schools start late and go longer because children need their sleep. Well, it's like, what if they're up all night, Children need to sleep more. Yeah, that's because you don't want to hear them making a fuss. Trust me, when I was a teenager, I'd make a fuss whenever anybody tried to wake me up. And you know what? I think teenagers are just good at making a fuss. And that's fine. That's their job. There's a lot of leftover soupy liquid, but I'm just going to stir the heck out of this. I filled it up to the correct point. I did. But it's definitely done. I mean, we got Noodle here, and a lot of it. Okay. Well, with that, I guess it's time to give it a flavor taste. Spicy chicken yakisoba. Yeah. Okay, I get you. It's got a lot of cumin in it. It's more like they should just call it maybe Fiesta chicken. I don't know. Is it spicy? A little. Piquito? think. And then we're gonna use our good old fork to get more of that vegetable out. I don't know, it's like everybody says vegetable. I like to say vegetable because it just sounds funny. Even though that's probably how it's really supposed to be pronounced. What we do is we add the vegetables. I mean, they're vegetables. Right? Am I wrong? Wow, and that's a lot of food. Holy crap, look at that. That is a big serving. These I see generally for about $1 a piece. So you get a lot for $1. And I'm using the spicy plate. Ooh. Gonna add some chicken. Some actual chicken. A couple pieces. I'm gonna reserve the rest for my wife's dinner. I make her these, what do you call it? Like a tortilla in the air fryer and stuff. And she likes it. And I tried one and I like it. So, yeah. Yeah, I really don't see myself doing any reviewing tomorrow. So, and tomorrow will be Thursday, and then that's the gateway to Friday. I guess I should hang on to these. I might. I really like. I have, I think over there, 2 varieties left to review. I don't have any other instant noodles that I can review. Oh no, I don't. And that's pretty bad. But there's plenty on the way from what I've been told, so that's pretty cool. But just to make sure, I will use all of this special stuff. Yeah, these eggs would not make it another couple days. I mean, I just made these this morning, but they're already pretty dark. But I will keep my brine, as I'm low on soy sauce as well, and I don't want to waste that. Alright, and I want to thank everybody that was so kind with the GoFundMe. I really, my family and I thoroughly appreciate it. I basically turned it off. There were a few posts that had it in there, and I didn't really. It would be a lot of work to go through each post and yank it. So once in a while, I'll still get a thing. I mean, we're always kind of struggling, so that's really helpful. So thank you to all the kind people. I really appreciate you. But yeah, we got our tax return, and that definitely was like, oh yeah, we don't. I'm not gonna run. I hated running the GoFundMe. I absolutely hated it. I don't like doing big posts and stuff like that, but you know, when times get tough, you gotta do something. I'm in a unique situation that made that like kind of required. So anyways, yeah, cheapo US domestic instant noodle yakisoba stuff. Okay, I'll be back. I'm coming back. I'm doing putting stuff in the dishwasher for just a moment. Well, thank you very much for watching. I don't know when the next time I'm going to be doing any reviews. Probably a couple weeks. We'll see. But, it's like windy, rainy, and cold outside. And that's the only reason I'm at home doing these today. So, yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.